welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. After Karnataka, now Maharashtra moves to divert Mahadayi Water Virdi project on even after stiff opposition from Goa. Goa to file plea before Mahadayi Tribunal on Monday. $108 ambulance service in Thori state affairs mismanaged. 50% ambulances off-road, lacks paramedical staff. Government funding wages to almost 30 drivers, technicians without job. MGP Supremo Sudhin Thavrekar all set for 8-seat contest in coming assembly poll. MGP to claim 3 seats of sitting Congress MLAs. Thavrekar reiterates Daboli is MGP's seat. First arrest in Kaptaram assault case. Kepe police nab Rajesh Pagi. Other 3 accused still at large. Police search on. Relatives unaware of their whereabouts. Bail to Praveen Mandrekar and Prayag Palyekar in Parra Nigerian murder case. Defence claims no direct evidence. Says accused not identified during parade. And Dane Coelho, Ronak Pai and Myron Gomes shine at Goa Beach Sport Academy's annual windsurfing regatta. Now news in detail. Maharashtra makes all efforts to stop Mahadayi water into Virdi Dam after Karnataka. Even after opposition from Goa government, Maharashtra continued with its work at Virdi Dam. Environmentalist Rajendra Kerkar affirms that the work is in progress without acquiring required permissions from the Ministry of Environment. Virdi Irrigation Dam project is estimated up to 60 crore rupees. On Monday, Goa government is expected to file a plea before the Mahadayi Water Tribunal on Virdi issue.
Even after strong opposition from Goa government to Virdi Dam project, Maharashtra has continued with its work. Monsoon is nearing and the work is in full swing.
आणि येदे व्हडले जे धरण आसा आमचे अंजुणी धरण प्रकल्प आसा त्याच्यापेक्षाही मोठो धरण प्रकल्प महाराष्ट्र सरकार विर्डी गांवांत बांधता आणि ह्या धरणाचे उदक जे आसा हे दुसऱ्या न्हंयच्या खोऱ्यान व्हरताले. खरे तर जी कबलात जाल्ली आसा त्याच्यानुसार म्हादई खोऱ्यातले उदक जे आसा ते म्हादई खोऱ्यानूच वापरपाक जाय, पण कर्नाटकाच्या फाटोफाट महाराष्ट्र सरकार लेगीत आमच्या म्हादईचे उदक जे आसा ते वळून दुसऱ्या बाजूक व्हरता.
Environmentalist Rajendra Kerkar informed that it is illegal to construct a dam along the reserve Mahadayi Wildlife Sanctuary. Maharashtra has not acquired any permissions from the Union Ministry of Environment and Forest.
ह्या म्हादई अभयारण्यापासून केवळ 2 किलोमीटर अंतराचेर हे धरण प्रकल्पाचे जे कामकाज आसा ते चालू आसा. 2002तलो जो कायदो आसा त्या कायद्यानुसार 10 किलोमीटरचे जे क्षेत्र आसा त्या क्षेत्रांत अशा प्रकारचे बांधकाम करपाक मनाई केल्ली आसा. केंद्रीय वन आणि पर्यावरण मंत्रालयाची पूर्व परवानगी घेऊनच काम करचे आसता, पण अशें आसतना महाराष्ट्र सरकारान ह्या धरण प्रकल्पाक अजून मेरेन ना हरकत दाखलो घेवंक ना.
Goa government will file a plea before the Mahadayi Water Tribunal for a status quo on the works of Virdi Dam. Goa government has strongly opposed construction of Virdi Dam, which plans to divert Mahadayi water to another river basin. Reporter Uday Parab for Prudent from Virdi.
108 ambulance service is in a pathetic state. GVK runs 33 ambulances through state funds. However, due to lack of paramedical staff, only 18 ambulances are running. Rest 15 are kept idle to rust at Bamboli. Around 30 personnel, including drivers and technicians, are drawing government-funded wages without any job to do. The PG staff has hit streets for unpaid salaries. Ambulances are not replaced from past 6 years. Here is a special report.
108 ambulance service was brought in by Goa government in the year 2008 after terminating 101 state ambulance service. The service started on the PPP basis. GVK EMRI manages the service of 108 ambulance with government's funding. However, due to lack of PG staff, half of the ambulances are on road and rest are lying idle at Bamboli and left to getting scrapped. GVK has 160 employees to operate the 33 ambulances. 53 are emergency medical technicians, 55 drivers, 18 PGs and 13 call receivers. Some of the employees have quit the job, but the vacant places have not yet been filled. In all, there are 33 ambulances providing 108 emergency service. Of these, only 18 are running. Rest 15 are just parked at the GVK state headquarters. Considering the working shifts of drivers and technicians, at least 26 ambulances should be in services, but only 18 are working. GVK has drivers and technicians, but lacks required PG staff. 15 ambulances have been stopped by GVK. Government grants wages to almost 32 drivers and technicians of 8 ambulances without rendering any service. Employees of 108 ambulance services claimed that GVK management harasses the Goan staff to get non-Goans in service at lesser wages.
हांगा जे सगळे एम्ब्युलन्स उबे आसा ते सगळे एम्ब्युलन्स बंद आसा, ऑफ रोड आसा. आनी ह्यो एम्ब्युलन्स ऑफ रोड आसा हेजे कारण इतलेंच की गोंयान ड्रायव्हर्स हांकां मेळना. ड्रायव्हर्स मेळना हेंचें कारण अशें की 12-12 वरां ड्युटी आसा. EM रूम्स ना तांकां प्रॉपर, तांकां चेंजिंग रूम ना, चलयांक रस्त्यार टॉयलेटीक वचचें पडटा. हे सगळे प्रॉब्लम्स जेन्ना आमी मॅनेजमेंटा पर्यंत हाडले, जरी सुद्दां मॅनेजमेंट कांय जावपाक रेडी ना.
The situation on the roads, especially highways, is worrying. Look at the number of fatal, non-fatal accidents and the number of accidents on road. Neither is declining. The PGs on 108 ambulances claim that they are not being paid their wages even after working overtime hours. It's been 2 months. These PGs are without wages. Staff has warned of disrupting the 108 ambulance services if issue doesn't get settled by Monday. Currently, 108 is facing a PG staff crunch. Government spends funds worth lakhs on these 33 ambulance services every month. But accidents do not seem declining, and half of the ambulance services are lying idle with the GVK for no staff. Parivartan far from achievement in the health service. Devendra Gaunkar for Prudent.
MGP Supremo Sudhin Dhawadekar is all set for 8-seat contest during coming assembly election. He says he will claim 3 seats where Congress has sitting MLAs. Dhawadekar also reiterated that Daboli is MGP's seat and in no ways they intend to part from it. The former Transport Minister of the Digambar Kamath-led government also revealed that administration collapsed during the previous government, and even after informing the UPA President Sonia Gandhi, she failed to act upon it. He was speaking in our weekly program, Head On.
तुमकां जर आज मोगो वयर काडपाक जाय, तुम्ही याचे पैकी 2वेल्यान 3चेर व्हेली संख्या. फुडले पे घडये तुमचो हावेस आसतलो 5चेर व्हरपाची.
3चा 8वी जावं शकता. 8 आमचे सीट आमी युतीचे सीट आसा ते लढयतलेच. आणि ह्या 8वी सीटान आमचे जे उमेदवार उबे रावतले तांकां निवडून हाडपाचो प्रयत्न आमी दोनूय पक्ष करतले आणि ताका लागून नक्कीच मगो पक्षांचे बळूय वाडटले.
तुम्ही कितें म्हणटा? तुम्ही तुमचो हावेस 8चेर रिस्ट्रिक्ट करून दवरला.
8 आसा आणि परत 9 आसा. काँग्रेसीन जे 9 सीट आसा तातूंत आमकां थोडो तरी सहभाग आसता.
दाबोळी समजा फाल्यां मोविनाची गजाल मोविन ओपनली उलोवन दाखयता की आपल्याक बीजेपी वचपाक जाय. मोविनाक काय तुमच्या चिन्हाचेर वेंचणूक लडोवपाची इच्छा ना. युतीच्या वाटपां भितर दाबोळी तुमची तुमची भूमिका किती आसतली अशी परिस्थिती?
आमची भूमिका स्पश्ट आसा. युतीच्या हातूंत दाबोळी हो आमचो मतदारसंघ आसा आणि हांवें ते उलोवनूच दाखयल्लें आसा आनी आमचो उमेदवार थंय फक्त 9च्या मतांनी पडला. आतां जी 2000 मतां पडली आमकां एक्स्ट्रा ती सगळे आमी एकठांय जाले म्हणून पडली आनी ना जाल्यार तो सीट आमचो.
ते मोविनाची क्रेडीट न्ही.
ओपनली ताणें सांगलां की आपूण भारतीय जनता पक्षा बरोबर आनी मोदी ह्या जे आमचो लोकसभेचो उमेदवार आसा नरेंद्र सावयकर बरोबर आसा म्हणून. पण भितरल्यान ताणें कितलें काम केलां तें कोणूच कांय सांगूं शकना.
तुमी दोनूय सरकारां भितर मिनिस्टर म्हणून काम केलां
बरोबर.
तुमकां कितें फरक जाणवता?
भरपूर फरक आसा. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटीव काम जें आसा ह्या आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटान बरें जालें. फाटल्या गव्हर्मेंटान एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन नाशिल्लें म्हटल्यार जाता आनी त्या खातीरूच म्हजी आनी मुख्यमंत्र्याची तेचेर भासाभास जाताली आनी त्या खातीरूच
तुमी म्हणटात की तुमी हो इश्यू रेज केल्लो फाटल्या मुख्यमंत्र्याक.
हांवें रेज केल्लो न्हय. हांवें ही लेटरां बरयल्लीं आसा सोनिया गांधी.
तुम्ही म्हणटा की तुम्ही सोनिया गांधीक बरोवन सुद्दां कांयच
फायदो जालो ना म्हाका. थंय वयल्यान म्हाकाच डिस्क्वॉलिफाय करपाचो कसो तो प्रयत्न जाला.
Its first arrest in Kap De Ram assault case. KP police on Sunday arrested Rajesh Pagi, aged 30 years, from Kap De Ram in assault case. Other 3 accused are still at large. Firoz Khan from Mandap Madgaon, Sahikif also from Mandap Madgaon and Nikhil from KP are still at large after police issued an arrest warrant.
Kepe police on Sunday arrested Rajesh Pagi in Kabderam assault case. 3 other alleged accused are missing. Police tried to inquire from the relatives of the trio, but they were unaware about their whereabouts. Rajesh Pagi, among the 4 accused, was arrested on Sunday evening. It may be recalled that 2 youth who were suspected to be the culprits behind rising thefts were stripped and bashed at Kabderam. Youth from Naveli stripped Swapnil and Jason, both locals of Kepe, tied them to a motorcycle and made them run. Reporter Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.